Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to Less Dependent Wisconsin. Today we're going to go for a little car ride. We're headed to Rhinelander, Wisconsin, to Hansen Honey Farm. We're going to pick up the bees today, bring them back, get them established in the hive, and show you how we do it all. So I'm going to go for a drive. You watch the intro. We'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, so I've arrived at Hansen Honey Farm. As you can see behind me, there's their hives. Quite a bit of bee activity. So let's go inside, pick up our bees, get this started. Okay, so we've picked up the bees. The queen is in a box inside there, and we're gonna go home, get the hive set up, and introduce them to their new living quarters. So I'm excited. They're all bunched up because it's kind of cold, so they're staying warm. All right, so we'll see you in about an hour and a half. All right, so we're getting ready to open up the hive. Right now the bees are pretty docile. It is a little colder out here. They did start moving around a bit in the car. They warmed up a bit, but now that we got them outside, it's a little colder. I'm gonna give them a couple, we got some smoke going here, just to make sure they stay calm. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do let's try this.
Oh, it just said cut out.
There it is. All right. So this is what they've been feeding on. Now let's get the queen out. All right. So, yep, we'll give them a quick smoke real quick. Get some of these off of here. All right, so there's the cork. We're gonna pull the cork out and then replace it with a marshmallow. And what they will do is they'll eat that marshmallow and release the queen. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the queen on this board, secured with the rubber band. Okay, they'll eat the marshmallow. She'll get released in 3 or 4 days. And let's go ahead and get her inside. We're going to put these guys upside down. We have sugar water for them. That's looking good. And we have a pollen patty. Now a pollen patty is going to provide them the protein they need. The sugar water is going to give them the carbohydrates. They're really starting to wake up now. Okay, and we are going to, so that's the setup. Sugar water, pollen, and bees. All right, we're gonna put this top box on. The lid. And the top cover. Okay, and that is the completed hive. Now if you're wondering what this is insulation. I'm going to put this over the top of the hive tonight. We are going to get below freezing tonight. Any night I think it's going to get a little chilly. I'm going to put it on top of there. But the hive is established. So I'm not going to check it for about a week. And then we'll go in there, see if we can find the queen, make sure all the bees are doing good, make sure they're starting to draw out the combs, check the sugar water and whatnot. But finally excited to get this started. So thanks for watching. Focus on being less dependent. We'll see you soon.